So how's everyone doing today? So today what I'm going to do, you know how all the lights, and they come stock like this, they're all white LEDs inside the car here. I assume they all were, you know. I know the vanity lights and the visors, those are not. But I don't rarely use those. I might switch them over though. But I was shocked to see this. So you know the license plate light here, it comes factory LED, white LED, the Accord had it too. But I didn't even know until I kind of looked in here, and they still use a yellow incandescent bulb here. And another way they cheap out, like I thought that for sure that would be white LED. Nothing major here. I'm gonna go ahead and switch it out here, but let me show you. I want to use a little like tiny tool here, and you just press up in there. It's not as easy as the Accord. It doesn't have like prongs sticking out. You just use a tiny little gap. You push it in there real gently, and it'll come out. And same thing, just it takes the mini wedge, and I have plenty laying around, so I'm just gonna put the pure white, it's like 6,000 Kelvin bulb in there, and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so right here, I took it out, and there's the bulb I'm gonna put in. I like this because it has the side firing LEDs as well as the top, so it illuminates 360, which I like for the trunk because it's very useful. Because I always felt the stock light's kind of dim. You can see how bright that is. Let me go ahead and install it for you and I'll show you. Okay, so it's all installed. Super bright. Like I said, this is where you want these super bright lights, especially. It's useful. If you guys are loading stuff or trying to find stuff in your trunk at night, those stock bulbs are so dim you can't even see anything. Usually you have to get your phone out and use a flashlight on it. It's kind of hard to tell because of the light out right now, but trust me, it's at least twice as bright as the one before. And it's the nice white light. Very easy to do. I was just surprised. I didn't even notice that until now, that it's still a yellow bulb in there. So now it's going to flow with all this stuff. That's the only bulb you really have to replace. Everything else is pure white LEDs, which I like about it, except the vanity lights. So that's the only ones you have to replace on this car. Nice clean look. As you guys know, I always like that. Okay? Hope everyone's doing good out there. And I appreciate it, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks, everybody.